Welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants and Patrick Star. Enjoy the draw!
We'll never have fun together again.
You said you found my dislodged cranial cap last time.
Yes?
Where exactly did you find it?
It was right here.
Impossible. Friendship ring!
So did I. My best friend made it for me.
Okay. You can be a spy. Just be quiet.
Where's your best friend now, SpongeBob?
Well, according to this t-shirt, it says my best friend is right here.
How about now?
Right by my side. Wow, clothing that announces our feelings for each other.
Boy, reporting for duty! SpongeBob, snap out of it! It's me, your best friend, Patrick!
What's that? I can't hear you, what with all the lonely voices in my head.
Oh man, he's too far gone.
Not fit to live in society.
Is this all my fault? Me and my dumb ideas! I'm so sorry!
slip out of this thing.
SpongeBob, come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. Let's get him, Patrick.
I don't know, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know, what do you want to do today? I know what I want to do today.
Hey, you're good.
Thanks. Darn!
Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as
Picklefish lips! Sea
seaweed.
weevil!
Yorkie,
Yorkie!
At least I'm safe inside my mind.
At least I'm safe inside my mind.
Look, Patrick, Squidward's finally playing along.
Go away! Can't you idiots take a hint?
I can't do it! SpongeBob, come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!